Why do PC gaming mechanical keyboards sound so good? In the world of gaming, one question is capturing the attention of enthusiasts everywhere. Why do PC gaming mechanical keyboards sound so good? Just yesterday, social media buzzed with gamers sharing their favorite keyboard sounds, highlighting the joy these devices bring during gameplay. If you are curious about what makes these keyboards so appealing, you are in the right place. The satisfying sound that mechanical keyboards produce primarily comes from their mechanical switches. Unlike traditional membrane keyboards that use rubber domes, mechanical switches relying on physical components. These components include springs and metal contacts that register key presses, creating distinct tactile and audible feedback. One major factor is the type of switch used. Different mechanical switches produce different sounds. For instance, clicky switches like Cherry Mix Blue or Keychron Super switches create a noticeable click when pressed. Many gamers prefer this sound because it provides clear feedback during fast-paced gaming. Another aspect is the build quality and materials. High-quality materials such as aluminum cases and premium keycaps greatly influence the richness of the sound. A sturdy aluminum casing, like that found in the HyperX Alloy Origins 65, helps stabilize the keyboard and enhances the acoustic experience. Mounting style also plays a role in the sound produced. Gasket mount structures, such as those in the Lemoki X3, use flexible mounts combined with sound-absorbing foam. This design reduces unwanted resonance while maintaining a satisfying typing sound. Customization is another appealing feature. Many gaming mechanical keyboards allow users to swap switches or add foam dampeners. This means gamers can tailor the sound profile to their liking. Hot-swappable switches, like those in the Keychron C1 Pro 8 degrees Kelvin, offer flexibility to choose switches that produce preferred sound characteristics. Finally, the sound of mechanical keyboards often evokes a sense of nostalgia. This sensory experience can enhance gaming immersion and enjoyment. The combination of mechanical switch design, quality materials, and customization options creates a unique auditory experience that many gamers appreciate. As the gaming community continues to grow, understanding why these keyboards sound so good can help you choose the best one for your setup. Whether you are a casual gamer or a competitive player, the right mechanical keyboard can make a significant difference in your gaming experience.